Welcome to the Tech Talk Show. Today in this episode, we will discuss some tips to crack GATE with Assistant Professor Mr. Pramod Nath from KIT Group of Institutions. GATE is an all India examination conducted in 8 zones across the country by the GATE committee comprising of faculty members from ISC Bangalore and other 7 IITs on behalf of the National Coordinating Board, Department of Education, MHRD. The GATE score is used for admissions to various postgraduate education programs, for example, Master of Engineering, Master of Technology, Master of Architecture, Doctor of Philosophy in Indian higher education institutes with financial assistance provided by MHRD and other government agencies. GATE scores make graduate engineers eligible for various entry-level jobs in several Indian public sector undertakings. It is one of the most competitive examinations in India. It makes you eligible for fellowship program in management, also a 5-year program conducted by IIMS. National Institute of Industrial Engineering NITIE Mumbai also offers an exclusive MBA program for graduate engineers on the basis of GATE scores. So my first question is, what is the eligibility criteria for GATE exam?
The eligibility criteria for GATE is the candidate must have bachelor's degree or equivalent degree after 10 plus 2 in BE, BTech, BArch, BSc from a state, central government and recognized institution. The candidate must have qualified the bachelor's degree or equivalent with a minimum aggregate of 45%. The candidates studying in final year of their graduation, they are also eligible for this GATE examination.
So sir, what is the pattern of question paper in GATE exam?
GATE will be carried out in a computer-based mode for 25 disciplines. In the year 2020, for GATE 2020, a new discipline is introduced that is called biomedical engineering. And in GATE, every paper is divided into, we have 65 courses in total for GATE. So if you talk about section-wise category, we have 3 sections in GATE as well. We have general aptitude questions, we have general mathematics questions, engineering mathematics questions, and we have subject paper as well.
Students are often worried about marking scheme. Therefore, we would like to know about marking schemes and GATE exam.
Out of 65 questions, 10 questions will be from GATE general aptitude that consist of verbal and numerical ability, and 55 questions will be technical based on the paper chosen by the candidate. The general aptitude section will have 5 1-mark questions and 5 2-mark questions, accounting for about 15% of the total marks. The technical section and the engineering mathematics section will combinedly have 25 1-mark questions and 30 2-mark questions. So the total accounting for which is 85% of the total marks. Further, all section we have both MCQ type questions, that is multiple choice questions, and NAT based questions, that is called as numerical answer type questions. So if you talk about the negative marking in GATE 2020 exam pattern, as we know we have, so there is no provision as of now for GATE for negative marking in NAT questions. So if you talk about MCQ, so there is 1-mark questions, we have 1/3 of negative marking. If you take our 2-mark questions, we have 2/3 of negative marking in MCQ based questions.
So according to you, which all topics should students cover for GATE exam?
So according to me, the important topics that students should study for GATE exam are, if you take about civil engineering students, so the subjects such as strength of material, geotechnical subject is important for civil. And if you talk about computer science and IT students, so programming and data structures, operating systems and architecture is one of the most important subject that we have. So for students, I will suggest for electrical engineering, there is we have network theory, we have analog and digital electronics. If you talk about EC student, that is electronics and communication engineering department students, analog circuits and network theory is one of the important subjects. So if you talk about mechanical engineering department, manufacturing engineering, thermodynamics is one of the most important topics that the students should study. So lastly, we have one more core engineering department, that is instrumentation and engineering department. So we have analog circuit as well, and control system is one of the important subjects.
For any competitive exam, aspirants always stay eager to know about the cutoff trends of previous years. So, what is the cutoff trends for GATE?
So the students always eager to know what is the gate cutoff for last year. So gate 2019, we have computer science engineering department. The cutoff was for general students it was 29.5, and for OBC students it was 26.6. So if you talk about civil engineering department, so we have 28.2 cutoff for general and 25.4 for OBC.
We would like to know a few more things like exam schedule, expected date of result declaration, and so on.
The GATE examination is conducted in several slots depending on the number of candidates registered for the examination. So generally the examination is conducted in the month of February. The GATE results are mostly declared in the month of March, and the scorecards available for students, they can download the scorecards after 1 week after the result. The validity of GATE score is 3 years from the date of declaration of result into PG courses.
Among so vast syllabus and study materials, students often find themselves in a fix. So, what books and study materials would you suggest for preparation?
So for preparation of general aptitude, that is the first section GATE examination, I would suggest verbal reasoning, that is, and quantitative aptitude and non-verbal reasoning by the author called R.S. Agarwal. Is one of the most famous books that student can prepare for, and you can also solve previous GATE years papers as well. That will help the candidate to score good marks in the GATE examination. So if you talk about department-wise authors and books and materials, so let's take first mechanical engineering students. So for subject like mechanical vibration, the author G.K. Grover is one of the best books the student can refer. And if you talk about fluid mechanics, the author is R.K. Bansal. That is the good author the student can prefer. So the most important for computer science students, algorithm, the author is Corman as well. For operating system, Galvin is one of the best books. And for TOC, that we have the Ullman.
What would you suggest from which subject should candidates start their preparation?
So I would suggest the candidate preparing for GATE examination, they should focus on the easy subjects they know very well, because it will boost their confidence level for GATE preparation as well. So start from the preparing your easy subjects and go for the tougher one, because as you go tougher one, your ability to perform examination, your subject knowledge, your chapter wise knowledge, it will enhance the knowledge of the GATE examination strategies.
How many hours should GATE aspirants dedicate to their studies?
So it depends on the performance as well, because if the candidate have done enough subject knowledge in their academics, in their BTech courses, in their graduation courses during the college hours time, so it will. So I would suggest that studying for 3 to 4 hours, I think, is enough if you have well-known subject knowledge. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest start from the scratch, because GATE is not an easy exam. You must have the thorough knowledge of the every subject. So start from the beginning as well.
How long does it take to complete the syllabus?
About the syllabus completion, there is no such time, but it depends on the candidate, because every candidate has his or her abilities and to perform in examination. So if the candidate has given earlier attempts in GATE, so it will take approx 3 to 4 months for preparing for GATE examination. If he or she is giving first time for preparing first time for GATE, so approx 6 to 8 months is required for preparing very well for GATE examination.
At the end, some tips for students. What should be their approach?
So GATE exam is one of the most competitive exam in India. So I would suggest some tips that will help students to crack GATE in a very easy manner. So the tips number one is the highly motivated candidate with a clear vision of their goal can only be able to score well in the examination. So to crack GATE, candidate must have a proper strategies plan. They should have a subjective based knowledge. They should have their own abilities and limitations as well. So there are many coaching institutes in India that offers a path or a framework that will help aspirants to achieve good score in GATE. So there is not a single tips. The student can offer his or her ability. So for how to prepare some questions. Some students ask me questions that how to prepare gate without coaching. Is possible to prepare gate without coaching? I would suggest, I will answer it, yes, student can prepare gate without coaching as well. So there are many things that student can do. The first thing is the student should start preparation as early as possible, because when you are in first year or you are in second or third year, you can map up your all academic subjects with the gate syllabus as well. You can do mapping. What are subjects you are going to study in the current semester, and what are subjects that will ask in the gate examination. So mapping is very very important. So start preparing your gate as early as possible, because you have enough time if you are in first year, if you are in second year, if you are in third year. So practice and read your materials as early as possible. So next thing, about the syllabus. First, yes, the student must go through the syllabus of GATE, because GATE is very very vast. So no need to study the everything. Just focus on the GATE syllabus. That will enough, and map with the corresponding subject that you have. Next thing is very important. I will suggest solving the previous year papers as well, because it gives the students a practice. We can say rehearsal type condition that will help students to actually how the GATE examination is being conducted. That the how it will help students to actually perform very good in the exam time. So next very important thing is that mostly students don't do this while preparing for GATE. They just simply study the GATE materials and they directly go for the GATE examination. So this is the wrong practice. You must do test series practice as many as you can do for the current for your subject. It must be on regular basis. So every candidate who are preparing for GATE must do test series. We can say mock test series, online test series, or offline test series. There are many things available online or offline as well. So I would suggest students that you must have strong hold basics of the topics that you study in your graduation. So it will boost your performance as well. So the easiest way to keep command on basics is you must prepare a short notes of all the formulas in your subject, all the concept, all the basic idea that you have, that will help students to on regularly memorize or read the content for GATE examination.
So thank you so much, sir. In this video, we have tried to cover almost every information related to GATE. If you still have any doubt, please do mention in the comment box. Stay tuned for more such videos and topics.